Most people are being lied to about trading. They are sold the fantasy of turning a small account into a fortune in a few weeks, copying signals, pressing buy and sell, and somehow becoming financially free. If that worked, everyone would be rich, and the people teaching it wouldn't need to make money from courses, signals, or social media. The trading industry is full of noise, hype, and misinformation designed to keep beginners failing. Today, I'm going to cut through that noise and show you what trading really is, how professionals think, and why most people never make it. Let's start with a truth that most people don't want to hear. Trading is not a daily income job. Real traders do not sit at the screen forcing trades every day. They wait for the right market conditions, the right level of volatility, and the right setups. Without movement, there is no opportunity. That's why professional traders monitor volatility indicators such as the VIX to determine when the market is worth trading. When volatility is low, the market moves slowly, and there simply isn't enough movement to make money consistently. This is why amateurs blow accounts. They trade when the market is not offering quality opportunities. Trading is a skill. It requires structure, discipline, and a framework that guides your decisions. It is not gambling, it is not guessing, and it is not about reacting to every candle you see on a chart. Trading requires patience. Most beginners fail because they treat the market like a casino. They want constant excitement, constant action, and constant trades. Professionals want consistency, not adrenaline. Before you can trade properly, you must understand how the market behaves. Price moves for a reason. It reacts to supply and demand, economic conditions, institutional activity, and market sentiment. When you begin to understand why the market moves, you stop chasing price and start trading with intention. Then there is risk management, the most important skill every trader must have. You can have the best strategy in the world, and it means nothing if you do not control risk. The fastest way to destroy your account is through misuse of leverage. Leverage is a double-edged sword. It can grow an account fast, but it can wipe it out even faster. Professional traders respect leverage. They treat it as a tool, not a shortcut. And they always protect their capital first. The truth is, you do not need to win every trade to succeed. Losses are part of the game. What matters is the size of those losses. Successful traders cut losing trades quickly, long before they become disasters. Amateurs hold on, hoping the market will come back. Hope is not a strategy. The market does not care about your opinion, your emotions, or your ego. Accepting you will be wrong is the first step to becoming a trader with longevity. Mindset is the area nobody talks about properly, yet it destroys more traders than strategy ever will. You can learn the charts, the rules, the setups, but if you cannot control yourself, you cannot control your trades. Fear, greed, revenge trading, FOMO, impatience, these behaviors are why most quit. Trading demands emotional discipline. You must learn to remain calm in both winning and losing periods. You must learn when to step back, when to wait, and when to stop. Professionals do not chase the market. They respond to it with clarity and control. Now, let's be clear on something else most people confuse: the difference between trading and investing. Trading is a short-term skill focused on income. Investing is a long-term strategy focused on building wealth. Trading is active. Investing is patient. Trading requires skill and timing. Investing relies on time, compounding, and owning quality assets. The most successful people understand how to use both together. Trading can create income to fuel your investments, and investing can build long-term financial security. When you understand the difference, you can choose the approach that fits your goals, personality, and risk tolerance. So let me ask you something. Do you want to continue gambling your money away, listening to the wrong people, and repeating the same mistakes? Or do you actually want to learn how to trade properly? If you're serious about learning to trade with structure, clarity, and confidence, I've created a step-by-step course that teaches you everything you need to build a strong foundation. Inside, you will learn how the market really works, how to identify trading opportunities, how to manage risk correctly, and how to develop the mindset of a professional trader. This course is designed to remove confusion, stop bad habits, and eliminate the trial and error that causes most traders to fail. If you're ready to approach the markets properly and learn a method that can actually help you progress, the link to access the course is below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the IBF channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss real market education, not hype. Thank you for watching, and remember, This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.